Today is Vesak Day, Sunday, May 18, 2019. This is a pink neck green pigeon with a central orange breast. That is the plumage of the male. It's just lucky I did have a good video of it under the sun, of him under the sunlight, 7:30 a.m. and he flew off to here because they didn't really like me to video him. Yeah, they're easily camouflaged inside the tree. This is a young one, and you can see, you cannot see him now, but it's a very bright morning, Sunday morning, and you can see he did a performance for me, back and forth. Just a very surprising thing on Vesak Day, that this pink neck green pigeon, which is a common species in Singapore, does such a performance. I think he pooped as well. And normally you will see the fluttering of the tail feathers in many of them. Let's see this one. This one is facing towards me, the back, and this is really a rare footage of the green-necked pink pigeon fluttering around from one tree to the next tree and back to the same tree. Now where did he disappear? Well, I can't see. But this is the tree most popular with the pink neck green pigeon, and this is a residential area. As you can see, that is the subway line, Yio Chu Kang. And now I'm looking at this tree, which used to have lots of flowers and butterflies, but now the fruit seems to have gone past the prime, as you can see. So there are not many butterflies or bees and insects. There used to be a lizard here. We call it the Oriental garden lizard or changing lizard, but it's not here today. He was here yesterday, and he was waiting patiently to capture some insects. I wonder whether he stayed up there or not. Then there's nothing here. So I shall stop now. The pigeon had fled since my videoing, and today is Sunday, Vesak Day, May 18, 2019, about 7:30 a.m. Singapore.